In this video, we'll discover the magic of color grading and we'll show you the simplest way to make your videos look stunning and professional. So let's paint the emotions with color and start our cinematic color grading journey. So welcome to the interface of Email Pro, and today we are gonna learn color grading that has been used in most of the web series that you must know. So let's start the video. I have already prepared some color gradings, you can see here, but for you I'll prepare a new one. Okay, so let's import our video, just drag and drop, increase the size. Firstly, we'll make a duplicate of the image to see you the before and after. So for making a duplicate, just press Alt and select the layer by single clicking on it and just left click and drag it above. So you have made a duplicate of it. So just go to Lumetric color. Here you can find the options and just scroll down a little bit. Here you can see some eyedroppers tools. So just click on first eyedropper tool and click on the skin tone of the image, means the skin tone of the models or the videos you are taking care of. So just single click on the skin tone is selected. But how may you know the skin tone is selected? So just scroll down. Here you can see the color/gray option is there, means the bar is there. Just click on this. You can see the skin tone is being selected. Now you can adjust the skin tones according to your need. If you adjust this, just increase the lightness, decreasing the lightness a little bit. Make sure the skin tone is selected, and along with that, little bit of hairs are also selected. So although we have applied or selected a skin tone, but we need to blur it, because if you apply directly the effect or start the color grading, it will give a harsh color grading. So we'll need to make a smooth. So just click on the blur slider. You can see there's a blur slider. Increase the blur a little bit. So this is fine. Around 9 is fine. Now just click on this option, because for now at starting we are doing the color grading on the background. So just click on this inverse option. Now the background is selected other than skin tone. So just off the color and gray options. Now just scroll down. Okay, now we are applying a bluish tint effect. So now we'll drag the slider to a bluish tint, something like this. Now you can also increase the temperature of it, means a bluish tint, and we'll add a pinkish tone to it, something like this. Yeah, it's fine. We also increase some contrast and a little bit of saturation. Okay, perfect. Now just go to the effect control panel and just drag it below, and here you can see Lumetric color option is there, means the color panel is there. Just right click and just copy it, and again right click, then again right click and paste. We have made a duplicate of it. Now just right click and rename it so they will not be confused. I'll press 22. Just press enter. So we have made a copy of it. Now what you're going to do is just select the second one, the Lumetric color. Now just double click on it to reset it. Double click, reset, double click, click, double click, double click. Okay. Double click. Okay, it's been reset. Now what we're going to do is just scroll up. Now we'll turn off the inverse option because we are applying the effect on skin now. Just uncheck this. So now skin is selected. Now just turn off the color in gray. Scroll it down and we'll increase a little bit of sharpness in it. Okay, this is good. And now you can see the 3 circles is there. Now just click on this, and here you can see the highlight option is there. Just increase the highlight. Okay, it's created a major impact on it. So although the color grading has been done, but we'll apply an clarity filter on it. So in Premiere Pro we'll not get a clarity option or clarity filter, but we'll create it. So just press Alt and drag it up to make a duplicate of it. Now select this layer. Now just click on Effects and Preset, and if you don't find this option, you can find it from the Windows option. So now in Effect and Preset, search for black and white filter. So don't type black, because if you type black, you'll find a lot of options. So rather than black, just a white. Okay. So black and white option is there. Just drag and drop. Drag it down. You can see the black and white option is being hidden. Now drag it up. Now in the opacity panel, just change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Ta-da. Now just decrease the opacity, increase the opacity a little bit. Perfect. Now we'll select both of the layer and right click and create a nest so that it will be in one single layer. So if I play this, so this is the before and this is the after. So before, after. You can see it's created a major impact on it. So this is the easiest way to create color grading, and this has been applied in most of the web series also. So at last, I'm gonna tell you that in color grading, each frame describes a brilliant story. So make your brilliant story and don't forget to tag me. So make your own story, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. This is the famous quote that I have created is color grading is the art of storytelling. Yes.